Today we are going to discuss about oligopoly. Oligopoly is an important form of imperfect competition. In the real world economies, most industries are oligopolistic. Now we will see what is oligopoly. Oligopoly is a type of market structure where there are few firms or sellers in the market producing or selling homogeneous or differentiated products. In other words, where there are two or more than two, but not many, producers or sellers of a product, oligopoly is said to exist. Oligopoly is also referred to as competition among the few. Examples for oligopoly are cold drinks industry, aluminum industry, automobile industry, cell phone providers, etc. Now we will see what are the features of oligopoly. First one is a few firms with large market share. Under oligopoly, there are few firms. Each firm produces a significant portion of the total output. There exists severe competition among different firms. The number of firms is so small that an action by one firm is likely to affect the rival firms. The next feature is high barriers to entry. The main reason for few firms under oligopoly is the barriers to entry, which prevents the new firms enter into the industry. For example, brand loyalty, patents, high startup cost, etc. These make it difficult for the new firms to build a presence in the market and attract the customers. These barriers to entry allow oligopolies to make higher profits due to the limited competition. Next feature is interdependence. Firms under oligopoly are interdependent. Any action a firm taken in an oligopolistic market will strongly affect the action of its competitors. The oligopolist firm will operate based on how they believe competitors will react. A firm considers the action and reaction of the rival firms while determining its price and output levels. Another feature of oligopoly is non-price competition. The firms avoid price competition because if one firm reduces its price, its rivals will also react by reducing the price. If it tries to raise the price, other firms might not do so. Then he will lose his customers. Therefore, they avoid price competition and firms use methods like advertising, better services to customers to compete with each other. Another feature of oligopoly is that it is more efficient. Oligopolistic firms benefit from high levels of market share. At the same time, they benefit from economies of scale. That means they can produce at a lower cost. Another feature is role of selling cost. Due to severe competition and interdependence of the firms, various sales promotion techniques are used to promote sales of the product. Advertisement is very important under oligopoly. Selling costs are more important under oligopoly than under monopolistic competition. The next feature is indeterminate demand curve. Under oligopoly, the exact behavior pattern of a producer cannot be determined with certainty. So, demand curve faced by an oligopolist is indeterminate or uncertain. Any change in price by one firm may lead to change in price by competing firms. So, demand curve keeps on shifting and it is not definite. Rather, it is indeterminate. Next one is nature of the product. The firms under oligopoly may produce homogeneous or differentiated products. If the firms produce homogeneous products like cement or steel, the industry is called pure or perfect oligopoly. If the firms produce differentiated products like automobiles, the industry is called differentiated or imperfect oligopoly. These are the features of oligopoly.